I'm Dr. David Henick. I am the Chief of the Department of Otolaryngology, Head and Neck Surgery. A large part of my practice is the treatment of chronic sinus disease. I see a good number of patients who have already had surgery before. When I started medical school, I began to realize that there was more anatomy in the head and neck region than the entire rest of the body, and was completely and totally intrigued by the challenge that presented. Patients with chronic sinusitis tend to have more frequent infections. They typically have symptoms of facial pressure, difficulty breathing through their nose, a diminished sense of smell and taste. Many of them have had this condition for so long, they don't even realize they have it. And so once they come in and they've had the surgery, it's not uncommon that they'll say, you know, I didn't realize that I couldn't smell or I couldn't taste certain foods. So that's one of my greatest joys, is being able to share this happiness with the patients. It makes me feel great. I love talking to my patients, engaging with them. I love trying to learn how to make them better. What you may not know about me is I like competitive sports. At the age of 40, I learned how to ice skate. I played for Hockey North America. I became a hockey goalie and played competitive hockey goalie for at least 10 years, which was fantastic. I enjoy cycling, and I try to do that on the weekends. I just completed the Grand Fondo, New York, which is a 100-mile cycling ride. So if I told you I'm not having any discomfort, I'd be lying to you.